नमस्ते, खुश रहो बेटियाँ। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर के चौधरी, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मैथडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, and subject is understanding discipline and subjects. And now we will discuss about the next topic, that is the relationship of the school subject and the academic discipline. An academic discipline is a branch of learning or scholarly investigation that provide a structure for the student, especially in the graduate and postgraduate level. Then, what are the difference between the school subject and the academic disciplines? School subject can be traditional academic subject such as mathematics, history, geography, chemistry, that have direct relation with their parent academic disciplines. Some unconventional school subjects like tourism and hospitality have minimal connection with academic disciplines. A school subject constitute an organizing framework that gives meaning and shape to curriculum content, teaching and learning activities. The formation of a school subject entail a theory of content, a special way of selecting, framing and translating content for educational purpose. And academic discipline is formulated for the professional training of researcher, academia and specialist. A fundamental concept distinction between school subject and academic discipline is crucial for a proper understanding of curriculum development and pedagogical studies. Then, what is the relationship between the school subject and the academic discipline? School subject can have different and variable relationship to academic discipline depending on their aim, content and developmental phases. There are three broad comparison between school subject and academic discipline, and the first is the school subject and academic discipline are essentially continuous. The continuous positions show the importance of transmitting disciplinary knowledge for the development of the intellectual capacity of students and for the maintenance and reproduction of academic culture, the knowledge. This is called doctrine of disciplinarity, according to which school subjects are derived from and organized according to the structure of academic discipline. The central purpose of a school subject like that of discipline is to initiate the young into the academic community of scholars. School subjects therefore are supposed to drive their life from their related intellectual disciplines. The students are dealing with relatively simple idea and methods. They study the same idea and method known by expert in the academic discipline. Curriculum development framed by this curricular position ignored the interest, attitude and feeling of learner. Furthermore, this curricular position show little concern about meeting social, economic and political needs and is silent on issue about social reform and reconstruction. And the second is the school subject and academic discipline are basically discontinuous. पहले वाले में continuous था और इसमें क्या है discontinuous. In this curricular position, school subject and academic discipline are essentially discontinuous in purpose and substance. Hence, school subjects are allowed for construction which could get beyond the narrow academic or disciplinary concern. The discontinuous position finds support in humanism, social efficiency and social reconstruction. The formation of school subject therefore is justified with close reference to the need of occupation, profession and the vocation. Therefore, specialized and applied fields like engineering, accounting, marketing are the primary source from which the content of school subject are derived. Academic discipline are drawn upon only when they demonstrate their efficacy in promoting those skills and knowledge actually needed in occupation. School subjects are created to provide students with meaningful learning experiences that might lead to liberation and cause social activity. The curricular discourses call for a learner-oriented approach to the construction of a school subject that allow learner to construct their own knowledge according to their individual need and interest. The school subject equips students with general skill and lifelong learning ability essential for facing and challenges of globalization and knowledge-based economy. And third is the school subject and academic discipline are different but related. This third assumption demonstrates that relationship between school subject and academic discipline can exist in one of the three ways: that academic discipline proceed school subject, that school subjects proceed academic discipline, that the relation between subject and discipline are conflicting. The second way reflects that parallel exists between the stage in the development of disciplinary knowledge and the stages through which the individual passes on the way to maturity, and therefore school subjects are formulated to reflect those parallels. The third way can be viewed as a combination of the first and second way, where an academic discipline provides the end point of the formation of a school subject, and school subject provide for getting to know the academic discipline. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University Jaipur. Hope you understand about the relation of the role of the subjects in the academic discipline. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you. Thank you very much.